Hi, my name is Kevin Layde, and today I will be reviewing the section on pronouns and nouns in the conventions of English. First, I want to talk about what a pronoun and a noun are. Obviously, a noun is a person, place, or thing, something that can do an action or be described. An example I could use is a shirt. The shirt is blue. Also, a noun could be a person. The boy. The boy rides his bike. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that stands in for the noun in the sentence to avoid redundancy. For example, I'm wearing a shirt. It is blue. In this case, it would be the pronoun. Now, when you're taking the ACT, there's going to be a section where you can choose which is the correct pronoun to go with a given noun, or whether a sentence is correct in its arrangement of nouns and pronouns. The most important thing to remember is that these nouns and pronouns need to agree. What do I mean by agreement? I'm talking about number, I'm talking about gender, I'm talking about the person referred to. And for that, I want to take a look at a few examples so we can better understand how nouns and pronouns are supposed to agree. So, in our first example, we have the sentence. The members of the board moved their meeting from Friday to Monday. Now, for this, I'm going to have a little help from someone in the class. Can you come up here, please, Jake? In this sentence, the members of the board moved their meeting from Friday to Monday. Can you please identify the noun, the subject?
Members. Members,
very good. And can you identify the pronoun, a word that's standing in for members, later on in the sentence?
There.
Very good. Because you could also say the members of the board moved the members' meeting from Friday to Monday. Now, in this case, is this use of nouns and pronouns correct?
Yes.
Yes, it is, because members is plural. There's more than one member. There is a pronoun that is plural also, referring to more than one person. So in this case, the nouns and pronouns are correct. Thank you very much. Now let's take a look at another sentence that's a little different. In this second sentence, it says, Charlotte knew 3 people which moved to San Francisco. So can we have our next volunteer come up here? Thank you very much. And in this sentence, what are the noun or nouns?
Charlotte and people.
That's right. In this sentence, there are 2 nouns. So you have to be careful. What is the pronoun in the sentence?
Which.
Which, very good. Now you need to take care here, because there are 2 nouns and 1 pronoun. So first you need to think about which noun the pronoun refers to. In this case, which refers to the people moving to San Francisco. Now, is this sentence correct in use of the pronoun?
No.
And why is that?
Because the word pronoun which is wrong, it should be who.
Exactly. Because which is a pronoun that would be used to refer to inanimate objects. For example, if you said Charlotte knew 3 cars which were driven to San Francisco, that would be perfectly correct. But people are not inanimate objects, and so you use the pronoun who. Very good, thank you. Okay, let's look at our third example. The team played well. It won their game yesterday. Shannon, can you please come up here?
Sure thing.
So this is a little trickier because it's split over 2 sentences, and the pronoun is not in the same sentence as the noun it refers to. Can you please identify the noun?
Okay. There's one.
Okay. There's the team. And what is the pronoun or pronouns that refer to team?
This one. It.
It. In this sentence, you have to be careful because there's actually a second pronoun also referring to team. Can you find it?
There.
Very good. Now, is this sentence correct in its use of pronoun referring to team?
Yes. Yes.
I mean, it looks correct, but you have to be careful because it and there are in different, they refer to different numbers of people. It's different quantitatively. It is singular and there is plural. Now you think a team has multiple people in it, so either one could be correct. It's also a singular entity. But you need to make sure that there's concordance. So you could say they won their game yesterday, or it won its game yesterday, but not both. Thank you very much, and I hope you learned a lot from my lesson.